Yes.
How much chocolate powder did you put in?
How much chocolate powder did I put in? I have that answer right here. You want to write the recipe down, or do you want to pass this around and take a picture of it? Take a picture?
Okay. You can buy Jeff's, Marco's ice cream formulas. I use these. They are excellent. If you're just starting out a new business, any knowledge you can find is great, but if you're going to use recipes from Good Housekeeping magazine or Better Homes and Gardens, they don't translate up. You'll be, if you're running my 44-quart machine, you'll be breaking 160 eggs to get egg yolks. The recipes don't work. They're very nice and very cute for making a quart for your family. They don't translate up into an ice cream parlor. These do, and you can get that by reaching Jeff at, it's a very odd spelling.
No, we have some to sell here today.
I have them here today for the class, but for those who are watching this on YouTube, X, the letter X, and then an odd spelling of hippie, so listen carefully. X, Hippee, at AOL. Yeah, there really are people on AOL still. .com. Xhippie at AOL.com. If you didn't get that, you can contact me, Steve Thompson, and I'll read it back to you very slowly. Hippee at AOL.com. These are good. These are better than good. You can start your ice cream parlor with these and know that you'll be a success.
And I guess I can tell them how much it costs, right?
No,
I can't do that?
YouTube.
Okay.
But to the class here, there's a special discount today.
There is.
If you buy one, I will give you the Emery Thompson Hearty Handshake and a pat on the back.
And we also have a limited number of the book on thumb drive. So at the break, I only have a few. That sounds like a carnival thing.
I don't understand thumb drives. I tried putting it into the computer and it...
Did you light up?
Very much so. You know, I got to get one of my 19-year-old IT people to do it.
That's right. I'll tell you what. The back, he could do it. He can do it. You might. No, you're not a computer guy. Okay, so that's everything, and I think this ice cream's going to be pretty good. But we'll see. You'll be the judge of that.